In this shelter, you will find a modular system designed for mobility and adaptability, seamlessly integrating with different landscapes. You will also see how each module serves a distinct function, from storage and cooking to heating and resting, forming a flexible and efficient living space. In addition, we will present its materiality, which balances thermal insulation and waterproofing with sustainable elements such as solar collectors and a trombo wall. After that, you will see its compact and functional interior, where each element is designed for efficiency and adaptability. Finally, if you like to see things like an architect, you will see some arts, modularity, the stages to build this house, and the floor plans and sections. For a deeper architectural analysis, the contrast between nature and the city shapes the experience of inhabitation. The ability to transition between these contexts with the same set of elements redefines the idea of home. Through adaptive living, individuals with shared interests can form dynamic, evolving communities. As artist Tamás envisions a future of floating habitats, this project explores a way to exist between urban and rural landscapes. Designed with thermal insulation and waterproofing, the system incorporates solar thermal collectors, a solar stove, a trom wall, and solar lamps. For the camper, the experience is about reducing barriers between the body and the environment. The refugee, in contrast, seeks maximum protection. Each configuration defines an architectural space that is both temporary in its use and permanent in memory. In architecture, connection is more than a physical state. It is an intentional act. The modules are designed not just for efficiency, but to define how, when, and to what extent we engage with our surroundings. They remind us that adaptability is not just a technical challenge, but a fundamental aspect of being human. Inside, the spatial experience is anchored by minimal, floor-level furnishings that embrace informality and adaptability. Cushions, simple textiles, and natural fibers complement the raw materiality of the plywood and steel shelving, creating an atmosphere that is both contemporary and deeply connected to vernacular sensibilities. This is a cabin that does not impose itself, but rather coexists with its surroundings, prioritizing lightness, modularity, and a refined simplicity in architectural expression. Crafted with an economy of materials and a deep sensitivity to light, the Modular Cabin by Arquitectura is an exploration of transparency, warmth, and adaptability. The skeletal timber structure forms a rational and lightweight frame, allowing for quick assembly and a minimized environmental footprint. The predominant use of plywood, a material both affordable and structurally efficient, creates an inviting tactile experience, offering warmth and textural richness to the interior. The The polycarbonate roofing and walls are a defining element, filtering daylight and fostering a dynamic interplay between interior and exterior. This semi-transparency not only blurs the boundary between the built and the natural environment, but also ensures a soft, diffused luminosity throughout the space. The exposed wooden joints and the rhythm of the framing further emphasize the honesty of construction, revealing the logic behind the assembly. A shelter composed of 5 modular units offers a unique approach to temporary living, balancing essential functions with mobility. Each module serves a distinct purpose: storage, dressing, cooking, heating, and resting. The modules can be built on-site with varying levels of prefabrication, while a lightweight enclosure adapts to climatic conditions. When the time comes to move, the structure can be dismantled, compacted, and transported to its next destination. The number of modules used depends on the challenge of the journey. They can function independently in the landscape, form a cohesive shelter, or be placed inside an existing tent. For those with a technical eye for architecture, explore the plans and sections that elegantly showcase the intricate design nuances of this remarkable residence. If you've come this far and want to help the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the bell to receive more videos with incredible houses.